Christmas is a widely celebrated holiday commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25 each year. It is both a religious and cultural occasion, observed by Christians around the world and increasingly embraced by various secular communities. The origins of Christmas date back to the early Christian Church, which established December 25 as the official date for celebrating the birth of Jesus in the 4th century AD. This date was likely chosen to coincide with existing pagan festivals, such as the Roman festival of Saturnalia and the winter solstice, to facilitate the acceptance of Christianity among pagan populations. Over time, Christmas evolved into a rich tapestry of religious traditions, folklore, and cultural practices. In the Christian tradition, Christmas is a time of reflection and celebration of the Nativity, which includes the story of Mary and Joseph, the birth of Jesus in Bethlehem, and the visit of the shepherds and the Magi, wise men. Many Christians participate in religious services, including midnight Mass on Christmas Eve and morning services on Christmas Day. The lighting of Advent candles during the 4 weeks leading up to Christmas and the singing of carols are common practices that build anticipation for the holiday. Beyond its religious significance, Christmas has become synonymous with various cultural customs and traditions. One of the most recognizable symbols of Christmas is the Christmas tree, typically an evergreen tree adorned with lights, ornaments, and a star or angel on top. Families often gather to decorate the tree together, and many display it prominently in their homes. Gift giving is another central aspect of Christmas, symbolizing the gifts brought to the baby Jesus by the Magi. Many people exchange presents with family and friends on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning. The tradition of Santa Claus, or Saint Nicholas, has also become a prominent figure in Christmas celebrations, with tales of him delivering gifts to children on Christmas Eve. This legend has its roots in the historical figure of Saint Nicholas, a 4th century bishop known for his generosity. Christmas meals often include a festive spread featuring dishes that vary by region, such as roast turkey, ham, or traditional baked goods like gingerbread cookies, fruitcake, and eggnog. In many cultures, special meals bring families together to celebrate and enjoy each other's company. In addition to the religious and familial aspects, Christmas has also been commercialized, with retailers capitalizing on the season through holiday sales, decorations, and marketing campaigns. The holiday shopping season begins in earnest following Thanksgiving in the United States, often marked by Black Friday sales. While Christmas is celebrated predominantly in Christian-majority countries, its influence has spread globally, leading to various adaptations and local customs. Some cultures incorporate unique traditions, such as the Feast of the Seven Fishes in Italy or the celebration of Christmas markets in Germany. In summary, Christmas is a multifaceted holiday that encompasses religious observance, cultural practices, and social gatherings. It serves as a time for family, community, and reflection on themes of love, generosity, and goodwill, making it a cherished occasion for many people around the world.